Hey everybody, my name is Liz Hoffman. I live in northeastern Pennsylvania, and I am currently completing my field placement as well as working full-time for an agency called Northeast Counseling. I am a behavioral health technician working with elementary, middle school kids who have behavioral health and or mental health issues. We work as a team to provide services to the children in school, as well as collaborating with their teachers and the school personnel. We also work within the home to help the families and any siblings that might be in the home. We also work with the kids in the community and collaborate with the other agencies that they might be working with to provide them any medication. I think this is a very important course to have within our field. There are so many individuals that are dealing with an intellectual disability that might not be recognized right off the bat. Working in the mental health field for almost 6 years now, I have worked with a lot of individuals who have been diagnosed with both intellectual disability as well as mental health issues. So I think that having this course and understanding what intellectual disabilities can look like and all of the different symptoms and side effects that come with this are really important to better help the clients that we are working with. My internship in my undergrad, I did work at a program with two older women who both were uh, diagnosed with intellectual disabilities and mental health issues. And it was a really eye-opening experience for me and taught me a lot from my undergrad internship. So I'm really excited to learn more from this course and apply my knowledge to my future career. It was nice talking with all you, and good luck the rest of the semester.